Hi, welcome to TechWrap channel. I'm Glory. For today's video, I will be showing you how to make a charm and keychain using shrink sheets. These shrink sheets comes on different styles, like glow in the dark, white, and translucent. It's a versatile product and you can create different projects with it. Also, you can print on them or draw using acrylic markers and color pens. They are easy to use and the high quality material retains vivid colors. For today's project, I will be using the printable white shrink sheets. Here you can find the instructions for the print site, how to use it, and what you need to create. And here you can see how the shrink sheet looks. This is the part that is where you are going to print your design. And this is the glossy part that is the backing. With anything else to say, let's get started. Here I am on Zulu Studio and I already have all the designs that I'm going to use for the keychain on the charm. Now I'm going to add the holes and the offset to them. Now let's send to print both of the designs. Now that I print my designs, I'm going to cut them. This time I will be using my scissors to cut the designs. I will now punch the holes on my design. And now I will hit. Now let's take our UV resin and put it on top of our charms. Now let's add the rings to our charms, so we can create the keychain and the charm for the necklace. And here's the final result. I really love it. Don't forget that you can create different things using the shrink sheets from Tech Wrap. If you like today's project, leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye!